I'm sure you have at least one friend, family member, or coworker who makes good money online. You might have thought it was simple money. You can do it as well. However, you either fell victim to an online scam or failed. Have you ever wondered why this is so? It's because you didn't know where to look or where to begin. Or you wanted a quick way to make a lot of money. Let me tell you, there is no quick way to make money. You must put in a lot of effort. Hey guys, this is Clever Money, and on this channel, we love talking about all things money, as well as ways to make money online wisely. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you haven't already, and make sure to turn our notifications on so you can get notified every time we upload new videos. Without further ado, let us begin. Allow me to tell you a story. One of my friends recently attended a digital festival. He noticed a man sitting with a large board that read, "Earn money fast, simple and easy form and survey filling job." He found the offer appealing. He went up to the counter and applied for the job. He agreed to pay an initial fee of $40 to complete the registration. After that, he will be given some survey forms and paid for them. After a few days, he received more online surveys, which he gladly completed and submitted. This went on for a month until the communication channel or email became unavailable. All of his emails returned, and the man who hired my friend was nowhere to be found. This is just one of the many stories going on online. There are millions of scams on the internet. I'm telling you this story not to scare you, but to show you the truth. Perform a thorough verification before accepting any work. Investigate the brand or the person behind the brand. Otherwise, you might end up working for free for hours. Today, I'm going to share some easy and legitimate ways for anyone to make money online. You can choose your options and begin working online whether you are a 40-year-old housewife, a 15-year-old student, or a retired person. While you are working on your big money blog, you must continue to earn money in order to pay your bills and get through this challenging period. As a result, to assist you in earning money, here are 5 ways to earn money online with nothing more than an internet connection and, well, a computer. Depending on how much time and effort you put in, these methods can help you earn a decent living. There are literally hundreds of options. When you look online, you will find both legitimate and fraudulent sources. I strongly advise you to avoid programs that require you to make an initial investment before you can begin using their money-making formula. Here, I will show you how to make money online in a way that is both simple and legitimate. A few of them will require you to have certain skills, such as good communication, writing abilities, and so on. Fiverr is the best free online money-making site. This website allows you to earn money by offering any type of service that you are skilled at. Starting with Fiverr is simple, and it is intended for users like you who want to work from home and earn money. There are many success stories on Fiverr, and you can find a lot of ideas to help you get started if you browse their marketplace. The best part is that it is completely free, making it one of the best ways to make money online with no investment. This is yet another excellent way to earn money while sitting at home. As the numbers of solopreneurs grow, so does the need for a virtual assistant. A virtual assistant job is similar to a personal assistant job, but it is done virtually. Doing research, responding to emails, writing content or ad copy, and moderating comments could all be part of the job. A virtual assistant job can help you earn anywhere from $2 to $30 per hour on average. For anyone who is unable to leave their home and requires a source of income while remaining at home, becoming a virtual assistant or VA is a lucrative option. Bloggers and webmasters are constantly on the lookout for new and original content for their blogs and websites. All you need to become is an article writer and has good writing skills and the ability to scout the internet for relevant information. This is one of the best free online money-making opportunities. You will be paid between $2 and $100 per article, depending on the word count and quality. While making a deal, you will be instructed on the quality of articles, niche, number of words, and so on. Freelancing is for you if you are a graphic designer, a finance manager, a writer, or a stay-at-home mom. You only need to consider what you are good at, and you can make a living. You can be your own boss, work from wherever you want, and set your own hours. Simply register for freelancing jobs on sites such as Guru, Upwork, People Per Hour, Fiverr, and others. Simply apply for a relevant category and you are done. You are ready to go. Of course, different sites have different payment schedules and terms of service. You simply need to choose the site that best suits your needs. Make a good profile that highlights your strengths and previous work. Request that people leave a review after they have completed their work. This will help you establish yourself as a reputable freelancer on freelancing websites. How often have you seen advertisements in YouTube videos? Until I learned about money-making opportunities on YouTube, I had no idea that ordinary users like you and me could earn money by uploading videos to YouTube. It does not have to be a technical video. It can be anything from humorous to serious. However, the video must be unique. Simply upload videos to YouTube and monetize them with AdSense. You do not need to spend a lot of money or purchase a professional camera or other such equipment. A good smartphone with video recorder can perform miracles. Just be prepared to capture some bizarre moments. Homemakers should think about starting a cooking show or something similar. If you are skilled at yoga, Pilates, or another form of exercise, you can create DIY videos and upload them to YouTube, where you can enable advertisements. Affiliate marketing is the most effective way for anyone to begin making money online. This requires no investment and can be promoted and earned through your blog or social media platforms such as Twitter and Facebook. I know of bloggers who earn thousands of dollars from affiliate marketing while sitting at home. It is 2022 and cryptocurrencies are undeniably here to stay. Like the dot-com boom, Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies are in their infancy. But if you put in the effort, you can make a lot of money. The best part is that most of the information is available online, and I recommend that you spend the first few days learning as much as you can about Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies before investing in them. Because the market is new and many people are entering it, you can expect significant growth in the coming months or years. You can learn more about cryptocurrencies by visiting Harsh's website CoinSutra. The most common way to make quick money is to complete online paid surveys. Let me now explain how online surveys work. Many survey companies pay internet users for their feedback or opinions on their popular products and services. They give away free products or services to contestants in exchange for trying their products. If you are looking for a fun way to make money online, consider signing up with a reputable survey company and getting started. However, before you register for any online survey program, make sure you read their terms of service, as many programs only accept participants from specific countries, such as the United States or Canada, and so on. Personally, I recommend it as a last resort, as finding a good site that pays for surveys is difficult. And there are numerous scams associated with paid surveys. There are numerous opportunities and options from which to make easy money online. Try sticking to one for a while to see which works and which does not. One of the most common mistakes people make is to try multiple options at once, never exploring the power of just one. So that is it for today, everyone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a like and let us know what you think in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time.